Fantastic worlds are the settings for the most popular forms of storytelling we have. Yet we're always inclined to call these indulgences our guilty pleasures or forms of escapism, just because they don't seem as important as other types of media like, say, the news or stories based in quote-unquote reality. Yet, some of the best authors of the fantastic were present during the most real and traumatic events in human history. For example, novelist George Orwell was there during the rise of fascism, and he was part of the British Army's Home Guard. Novelist and poet William Golding, who wrote Lord of the Flies, was set in the Navy during World War II, and Slaughterhouse-5 author Kurt Vonnegut was captured by the Germans and in Dresden during that historic Allied firebombing of the city. The largest figure in all of fantasy is Lord of the Rings author j.r.r. Tolkien, a man who was part of the British Army posted on the Western Front during World War I, where he lost two of his closest friends. After the war, he returned home to continue his studies in literature, becoming an expert on the structure, historical development, and relationships of our languages, and used his writing skills to build his own fantastic world that takes very seriously the emergence of a truly terrible force of evil that casts its shadow over all the land. So is it the charm and whimsy that makes fantastic world building so engaging and immersive? No, it's how a fictional world can put our own reality into focus.